Alright, welcome to part 2 of set 42004, and this is the Telehandler. And the Telehandler has far less functionality than the Backhoe, but still a neat build nonetheless. So you can see these are actually the back wheels that I'm turning, and you can tell they're the back wheels because this here is where the driver would sit. So this is a steering wheel where he would have all the controls. And the other functionality I'll show you from this side. There's a knob here that will twist. We'll lower that down, and with the handle you can scoop and then twist the knob and bring it back up, and then bring what you've scooped to where you would like to place it, and boom. So those are the three components. One is this lever up top. Okay, see how that works. Second is this knob that raises and lowers. And the third is the steering, the rear wheel steering. You can see some of the gears for the steering column. Like that. You can see how the functionality works somewhat on the inside as we raise the scoop and lower it back down. And from the front with the scoop down, and from the front with the scoop up. Alright, well, thanks for watching part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, go ahead, we'll put a link in the description to part 1 and at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. It's your creative friends, and stay creative. Peace!